everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can I do with a major in the natural sciences. This workshop is geared towards those students who are interested in majoring something within the natural sciences. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with a list of majors and careers you can go into within the natural sciences. You can go into astronomy, chemistry, earth science, geology, marine science, and physics. Now, why should you study natural science? You should consider studying natural science if you enjoy science labs in high school. That is, if science courses in your high school are one of your most favorite courses to take and are the ones that you look most forward to, then one of these majors should be perfect for you as well. You love learning about animals. That is, if you're interested in becoming a veterinarian, maybe pursuing a major such as marine science or zoology, maybe even animal science is the perfect major for you. You hope to become an astronaut. If you do hope to become an astronaut in a major such as astronomy, it's perfect for you. And finally, you're passionate about the environment. That is, if you're interested in sustainability and climate change, global warming, then a major in earth science or maybe even geology is perfect for you. What can you do with a degree in the natural science? There are lots of careers in natural science to choose from. You will graduate with a degree in a specific natural science such as physics or chemistry. Of course, there are lots of other majors that you can choose from as well. A large number of natural science majors end up enrolling in graduate school or medical school. That is, if they are interested in pursuing a more higher education than a bachelor's degree. Some common industries that natural science majors pursue are higher education, aerospace, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, energy, and agriculture. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We would also very much appreciate if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.